Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm going to be doing a review video on a Beyblade called, that was made by Rocket Training. I'll be putting his stuff in the description box below. But I guess it's this bag right here, but I'm going to do this one first. Because I need this guy anyways. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. I need this bay anyways. Yeah, and also that's paint from spray painting stuff in the stadium. So yeah. Got this guy, but this isn't the main bay I ordered, so yeah. I mean, that was sent to me. So here it is right here. I need to be careful. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. All the stickers. There's the main one right there. Okay. Okay, well, here's a little close up for it, for the filament and stuff, and yeah. So, this is gonna be fun. Oh god. Cool, I now have two of these. It's like a battle these two. I also got stickers. Okay. Oh. The Bay Breakers. I can't remember what that one was. Ooh, veneer, yay. I can actually fix the other one I have. Oh yeah, here's the mummy, and I think this is the bat. I think. Yeah, so this one will be this one, I think, yeah. So yeah. There's the stickers, but this is the main day right here. This is Nightmare Dragon and Dragoon. Oh wow, that's huge. That's freaking huge. 2 layers, like the center layer right here, and that has 8, and then 16, and then the bigger layers. That freaking looks amazing with the sticker. They always come with the sticker. So yeah. Ooh. Okay. Okay guys, I finally put this on. So yeah, this is what it looks like. The driver. Let me paint that. So yeah, let's do a little test battle. I'm going to be putting it up against another 3D printed bay. It is a Dragoon bay. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, there we go. Oh god. Let's do a smaller one. Yeah, let's do a smaller bay. Okay, yeah, here's a good one. Right here. No. Oh, wait, no. Oh, God. Destroyer God. Okay. Jeez. Oh, good. Oh, good. Where is that? Okay. Let's not put that against these guys. Alright, okay, let's do a better belt bay. So yeah, that one's a bit bigger. Let's see. Okay guys, let's launch this. Oh guys, sorry about that. Okay. Solid bay. Oh. Let's get just just launch it regular. Okay. Looks pretty cool. Actually, let me get this. Just see if it'll work better like this. Okay. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And also check out rocket trading on eBay to get this bay. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.